ओम महागणपतये नमः। So today it's a very auspicious day because Lord Hanuman's Janmotsava. Okay. I think everybody understand, no? I think nobody understand. So whenever we do puja for Lord Hanuman, we always do puja, first puja for Lord Rama. Because, Hanuman is like a Das avatar. Okay, he says, I am Das of Lord Rama. Okay, so before doing puja for Lord Rama, we cannot do puja for Hanuman. Okay, so whenever we do puja today, so before that we will chant Lord Rama's mantra. Okay, so Lord Rama's mantra is Om Ramachandraya Namaha and Om Ramabhadraya Namaha. Okay, so 3 times Om Ramachandraya Namaha, 3 times Om Ramabhadraya Namaha. Okay, this is the Rama mantra. And for Hanuman is Om Hanumate Namaha. Okay. Om Shri Ramachandraya Namaha.
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 Om Shri Ramabhadraya 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 Namaha.
Om Shri Hanumate 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 Namaha.
I think you know that Lord Rama came to this earth on the Navami day, ninth day. But Hanumanji, he says, no, I will come on Purnima day. Not on the 8th day. Krishna came on 8th day. Rama came on 9th day. But Hanuman says, I will come only full moon day. Okay, that is why he was born on the full moon day. Okay, Purnima day. Okay. So now we will light the lamp. Okay. Om Deepajyoti.
Om Deepajyoti.
Param Brahma.
Param Brahma.
Deepajyoti.
Deepajyoti.
Janardana.
Janardana.
Deepo.
Deepo.
Haratu me papam.
Haratu me papam.
Deepajyoti.
Deepajyoti.
Namastute.
Namastute.
Om Agnaye Namaha.
Om Agnaye Namaha.
So we purify our body, mind and senses with the 3 times just touch. Okay. Om Keshavaya Namaha.
Om Keshavaya Namaha.
Om Narayanaya Namaha.
Om Narayana Namaha.
Om Madhavaya Namaha.
Om Madhavaya Namaha.
Wash the hand. Hasta Prakshana. Om Rishikeshaya Namaha.
Om Rishikeshaya Namaha.
Thank you.
ओम अपवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्था गतोऽपि वा यस्मरे पुण्डरीकाक्षं सबाह्या अन्तरशुचि। So whenever we do any puja, so we invite all the gods and goddesses to this place, so that we can do the puja. Okay. So usually, whenever we don't have time to do puja for all the gods and goddesses, then you just do Hanuman for the Ganesha, and then all the puja is finished. But we have time, so we have energy. So why not all the gods and goddesses we will invite? That's why particularly when we do puja, we invite all the gods and goddesses. Okay. So now we will ring the bell and blow the conch. भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः श्रीरङ्गैः पुष्पवागुंसस्तनोभिः यस्तेमदेवं निसञ्जतायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धस्वाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति न सावित्रो स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। Now we'll do Sankalpa Mantra. So when we chant the Sankalpa Mantra, please try to follow the meaning. Okay, meaning is very important. Om Tassat. Shri Vishnu Adya Namaha Paramatmane Shri Purana Purushottamaya Adya Brahmana Anhi Titiya Parardhe Shri Shweta Araha Kalpe Vaivasvata Mantare Ashta Vinsatitame Kali Yuge Kali Prathamacharane Bhuloke Jambudvipe Bharatakhande Aryabhatta Antargata जापान देशे टोक्यो क्षेत्रे एदोगावा नगरे पुनाबुरी स्थाने बौद्धावतारे क्रोधिनामा संवत्सरे श्री सूर्य उत्तरायणे वसंत ऋतौ चैत्र मासे शुक्ल पक्षे पूर्णिमा तिथौ मंगला वासरे चित्रा नक्षत्रे श्री सूर्य मेष राशौ श्री चंद्र कन्या राशौ शुभ योगे वयं भक्त वृंदः श्रुति स्मृति पुराणोक्ता फल प्राप्ति कामनया ज्ञात अज्ञात कायिक वाचिक मानसिक सकल पाप निवृत्ति
निवृत्ति
पूर्वकम
पूर्वकम
ज्ञान
ज्ञान
भक्ति
भक्ति
वैराग्य
वैराग्य
विवेक
विवेक
बुद्धि
बुद्धि
प्राप्तये
प्राप्तये
श्री हनुमत
श्री हनुमते
जन्मोत्सव
जन्मोत्सव
शुभ अवसरे
शुभ अवसरे
श्री हनुमत
श्री हनुमते
प्रीत्यर्थम
प्रीत्यर्थम
श्री गणेश
श्री गणेश
पूजनम
पूजनम
कलश
कलश
पूजनम
पूजनम
नवग्रह
नवग्रह
पूजनम
पूजनम
सर्वदेव देवी
सर्वदेव देवी
पूजनम
पूजनम
श्री हनुमत
श्री हनुमते
पूजनम
पूजनम
यथालब्ध
यथालब्ध
उपचारैः
उपचारैः
संकल्प
संकल्प
यया करिष्यामः। कलशं पूजयामि
कलशं पूजयामि
चन्दनं समर्पयामि
चन्दनं समर्पयामि
सिन्दूरं समर्पयामि
सिन्दूरं समर्पयामि
अक्षतं समर्पयामि
अक्षतं समर्पयामि
पुष्पं समर्पयामि
पुष्पं समर्पयामि
ओम कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु
ॐ कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु
कंठे रुद्र समाश्रिता
कंठे रुद्र समाश्रिता
मूले तत्र
मूले तत्र
स्थितो ब्रह्मा
स्थितो ब्रह्मा
मध्ये मातृ
मध्ये मातृ
स्मृता
नमस्कृता
क्षौतु
क्षौतु
सागरा सर्वे
सागरा सर्वे
सप्तद्वीपा
सप्तद्वीपा
वसुन्धरा
वसुन्धरा
ऋग्वेदोक्ता
ऋग्वेदोक्ता
यजुर्वेद
यजुर्वेद
सामवेदो
सामवेदो
अथर्वण
अथर्वण
गंगे च
गंगे च
यमुने चैव
यमुने चैव
गोदावरी
गोदावरी
सरस्वती
सरस्वती
नर्मदे
नर्मदे
सिंधु कावेरी
सिन्धु कावेरी
तीर्थेऽस्मिन्
तीर्थेऽस्मिन्
सन्निधिं कुरु।
सन्निधिं कुरु।
ओम कलशाय नमः
ॐ कलशाय नमः
वरुणाय नमः
ॐ करुणाय नमः
अभी नवग्रह पूजन करेंगे। ओम सूर्याय नमः
ॐ सूर्याय नमः
ओम सोमाय नमः
ॐ सोमाय नमः
ओम मंगलाय नमः
ॐ मङ्गलाय नमः
ओम बुधाय नमः
ॐ बुधाय नमः
ओम बृहस्पतये नमः
ॐ बृहस्पतये नमः
ओम शुक्राय नमः
ॐ शुक्राय नमः
ओम शनैश्चराय नमः
ॐ शनैश्चराय नमः
ओम राहवे नमः
ॐ राहवे नमः
ओम केतवे नमः
ॐ केतवे नमः
ओम इंद्राय नमः
ॐ इन्द्राय नमः
ओम अग्नये नमः
ॐ अग्नये नमः
ओम यमाय नमः
ॐ यमाय नमः
ओम नैऋताय नमः
ॐ नैऋताय नमः
ओम वरुणाय नमः
ॐ वरुणाय नमः
ओम वायवे नमः
ॐ वायवे नमः
ओम कुबेराय नमः
ॐ कुबेराय नमः
ओम ईशानाय नमः
ॐ ईशानाय नमः
ब्रह्मणे नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः
ॐ पृथिव्यै नमः
ॐ पृथिव्यै नमः
ॐ नक्षत्रेभ्यो नमः
ॐ नक्षत्रेभ्यो नमः
ॐ राशिभ्यो नमः
ॐ राशिभ्यो नमः
ॐ प्रजापतिभ्यो नमः
ॐ प्रजापतिभ्यो नमः
ॐ ऋषिभ्यो नमः
ॐ ऋषिभ्यो नमः
ॐ ग्रामदेवाय नमः
ॐ रामदेवाय नमः
वास्तुदेवाय नमः
ॐ वासुदेवाय नमः
कुलदेवाय नमः
ॐ कुलदेवाय नमः
ॐ कृष्णाय नमः
ॐ कृष्णाय नमः
महादेवाय नमः
ॐ महादेवाय नमः
ॐ सर्वदेवेभ्यो नमः
ॐ सर्वदेवेभ्यो नमः
अस्यै प्राणप्रतिष्ठन्तु
अस्यै प्राणप्रतिष्ठन्तु
अस्यै प्राणः
अस्यै प्राणः
शरन्तु च
शरन्तु च
अस्यै देव
अस्यै देव
त्वम् अर्चायै
त्वम् अर्चायै
मामहेति
मामहेति
कश्चन
कश्चन
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः
श्री हनुमतं
श्री हनुमतं
सुप्रतिष्ठितो
सुप्रतिष्ठितो
वरदो भव
वरदो भव
श्री हनुमतं
श्री हनुमतं
आवाहयामि
आवाहयामि
गन्धाक्षतं
गन्धाक्षतं
समर्पयामि
समर्पयामि
पुष्पं
पुष्पं
समर्पयामि
समर्पयामि
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमस्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आन शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः ॐ गणेशाय नमः ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः सिद्धिबुद्धिसहिताय महागणपतये नमः महागणपतिम् आवाहयामि स्थापयामि गन्धाक्षतं समर्पयामि पुष्पं समर्पयामि आसनं समर्पयामि
आसनं समर्पयामि
will wash his feet. पाद्यं समर्पयामि
पाद्यं समर्पयामि
wash his hands. अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि
अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि
आचमनीयं समर्पयामि
आचमनीयं समर्पयामि
एक एक आइटम क्या करेंगे दिखा के फिर आप वहां डालेंगे तो तीनों एक टर्न में टर्न स्नानं समर्पयामि
स्नानं समर्पयामि
दुग्ध स्नानं समर्पयामि
दुग्धस्नानं समर्पयामि
योगर्ट दधि स्नानं समर्पयामि
दधिस्नानं समर्पयामि
घी घृत स्नानं समर्पयामि
घृतस्नानं समर्पयामि
हनी मधु स्नानं समर्पयामि
मधुस्नानं समर्पयामि
शर्करा स्नानं समर्पयामि
शर्करास्नानं समर्पयामि
पंचामृत पंचामृत स्नानं समर्पयामि
पंचामृत स्नानं समर्पयामि
गंधोदक स्नानं समर्पयामि
गंधोदक स्नानं समर्पयामि
गंगाजल स्नानं समर्पयामि
गंगाजल स्नानं समर्पयामि
शुद्धोदक स्नानं समर्पयामि
शुद्धोदक स्नानं समर्पयामि
वस्त्रं समर्पयामि
वस्त्रं समर्पयामि
स्नान करने के लिए और टच करके यज्ञोपवीतं समर्पयामि यज्ञोपवीतं परमं पवित्रं प्रजापतेर्यत् सहजं पुरस्तात् आयुष्यम् अग्र्यं प्रतिमुञ्च शुभ्रं यज्ञोपवीतं फलमस्तु तेजः। सो मिलके भूर्भुवः स्वः गायत्री मंत्र 3 बार पढ़ेंगे 3 टाइम्स गायत्री मंत्र टुगेदर। ओके ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। आभूषणम् आभूषणं समर्पयामि चंदनं समर्पयामि सिंदूरं समर्पयामि कुङ्कुमं समर्पयामि अक्षतं समर्पयामि पुष्पमालां समर्पयामि दुर्वां समर्पयामि पूजा करेंगे पादौ पूजयामि जानुनी पूजयामि कटिं पूजयामि नाभिं पूजयामि वक्षस्थलं पूजयामि हस्तं पूजयामि मुखं पूजयामि आइस नेत्रं पूजयामि शिर पूजयामि सर्वांगं पूजयामि
This tulsi is Goswami, but we can put in.
Which flower?
I think some leaf, Ashwatha Patra, and baby tulsi.
Some grows all kind of things in our house.
But you can keep it.
अश्वत्थपत्रं समर्पयामि
Naya?
धूपम् आघ्रापयामि दीपं संदर्शयामि We always put the lamp around the Lord. Why? Because to see in this lamp. हम जब भगवान को देखते हैं हम ये लाइट से दिखना चाहिए हमें दिया से दिखना चाहिए ठीक है We should always see. That is how we do आरती
Yummy, yummy. Oh, yummy, yummy.
तुलसी पत्ते नहीं डालते तो प्रसाद नहीं बनता है।
आणि इसे च-
जो दो हाथ से ओम प्राणाय स्वाहा ओम अपानाय स्वाहा ओम व्यानाय स्वाहा ओम समानाय स्वाहा उदानाय स्वाहा ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि।
Yes.
छह हाथ में एक साथ।
खड़े खड़े
श्रीफलं समर्पयामि।
सीधा कर दीजिए तो गिरे।
आगे रखिए उसको चाहे
Wake up.
अच्छा देखिए इसको थोड़ा पानी चाहिए लाइट कर दीजिए पानी चाहिए एकदम ले
So we have completed the puja. Now we will chant some Hanuman mantra. Okay. Today is very important to chant Hanuman mantra. And today is a real Hanuman Janmotsav and the real Purnima. And also today it is Tuesday, Mangalvar. Okay. Very auspicious for Lord Hanuman. Please chant louder, okay? Om Hanumate Namaha. Om Hanumate Namaha. Om Hanumate Namaha. Om Hanumate Namaha. Goshpadi Kritavarashim Mashaki Kritarakshasam Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Bande Nilatmajam. So Lord Hanuman, what he takes, all the Rakshasas, he kills them like a mosquito. Masaki Krita Rakshasa. Okay, like we kill mosquito, so Lord Hanumanji, he kills all the vertical Rakshasas like a mosquitoes. So Masaki Krita Rakshasa. Okay, then what he's saying that, if you say Ramayana is a Mahamala, and who is the pendant hand? That is Hanuman. Without Hanuman, there is no Ramayana. Okay, all the great glories of Ramayana is because of Hanuman's. Okay, so before Hanumanji came to Ramayana, it was not beautiful. Of course, Rama was a great, everything is great, but Hanumanji made it really great. Okay, so you see, Ramayana Mahamala, Ratnam Bande, Ratna, real gem is Hanumanji. Okay, so try to understand this, every mantra of Hanumanji. Okay. Anjananandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanashanam Kapishamakshahantaram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram Anjananandanam. Who is he? Who is Hanumanji? he is the son of Anjana. You know who is Anjana? Okay, Anjana came only to give birth to Hanumanji. Especially came from heaven to give birth. The ordinary human beings cannot give birth to a person like Hanuman. Okay, who is Lord Shiva's avatar. Okay. So we have Ekamukhi avatar Hanuman. Hanuman, we have only one head here. Then Panchamukhi, there are 5 head Hanuman. And then Ekadashamukhi Hanuman, there are 11, because Lord Shiva has 11 Rudra. Ekadasha Rudra. Okay. Then, so he was the terror for Lanka. Vande Lanka Bhayankaram. He is a terror to the Lanka. Mahavyakarana Bodhi Manthamana Mandaram Kavayantam Ramakirtya Hanumantam Upasmahe. Mahavyakarana Bodhi means who is the greatest grammarian? Who can speak very beautifully? Who knows grammar? Okay. In India, we have one is Panini grammar. You must have heard Panini grammar. So, like Panini, we have many other grammars also, and only one person knows all the grammar. That is Hanuman. Okay. When first time Lord Rama meets to Hanuman in the jungle, when Hanuman speaks, who is this person? His face is like a monkey, but speaks so beautifully. No human being can ever speak. So he was called Mahavyakarana Bodhi. Ambodhi means there is an ocean of Vyakarana. He is the most beautiful speaker. Okay. Then Manthamana Mandaram. So if you can chant Lord Hanuman's name every day, then all your mental problem will go away. Okay. So Kavayantam Rama Kirtya. So all the time, Lord Hanumanji, what he is doing? He is singing the glory of Rama. Okay. So Lord Hanuman's avatara is a Dasa avatar. Okay. So he says, I am a Dasa of Lord Rama. So always, and you see always how he is sitting down? He is sitting down like a slave. Dasa. Okay. Ullanghya Sindho Salilam Yashokabanhi Janakatmajaya Adaya Tenaiva Tadaha Lankam Namamitam Anjaneyam. So because he is the son of Anjana, so he is called Anjaneya. Okay, we have many names of Lord Hanuman. So Anjaneyam is very famous because son of Anjani. Okay. Manojabam Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtham Vatatmajam Vanarayutha Mukhyam Sri Ramadutam Sirasa Namami. So he is who is his father? His father is, of course, we have many kinds of fathers. Lord Hanuman has many fathers. Okay, because one is Shiva, second is who? Keshari. Keshari is the real like a monkey chief, one of the chieftain of monkey. Okay, and Vayu Hanuman. Okay, so we have 3 different way he has came to this world. So Jitendriya, he is the one who has win over all his senses. Okay. Buddhimatam Varishtam. So we have many Buddhimatam means Jnani, but he is the number 1 Jnani. Okay. So there is no comparison of Lord Hanuman with anybody else. You must be knowing his story. You know, Lord Hanuman, his body was red. You know why his body was red?
Sindur.
Sindur. Okay. One day, Mata Sita, she was putting some sindur on her head. Then Hanumanji asked, why do you put sindur? So that my husband Rama will live longer. Then he said, okay, in that case, so he takes the entire sindur, put on his body. Whole body become red. Okay. Then, so why you do this like this? So why the little place? Whole body he will be. Then what Sita gave him? What Mother Sita gave him?
Moti.
Moti. No. She said that, you said that my husband will be long live. I give you the amaratva, immortality. Okay, he will never die at all. So that is what Sita Mata gave, because he put nobody gets the amaratva in this world, nobody gets the immortality. So Hanumanji got. So that's why Hanumanji always there, physically. Okay, of course all the deities are there, but physically he is there. Okay, that's why Sita Mata gave him that kind of boon. Okay.
What about Vatatmajam?
Vata means the wind god. Atmajam means sun, the son of wind god. Vatatmajam. Vata means wind god. Atmajam means sun. Okay. Vatatmajam. Anjaneyam Atipatalananam Kanchanadri Kamaniya Vigraham Parijatataru Mulavasinam Bhavayami Pavamananandanam. Again it's coming. Anjaneyam means you are the son of Anjana. Then he says many things. He says Parijata Taru Mulavasinam. You know Parijata Taru? The tree of Parijata. So if you sit under the Parijata tree, whatever you wish, all your wish will be get fulfilled. So Lord Hanuman is like that kind of Parijata tree for us. If we sit down under Lord Hanuman, all our wishes will be get fulfilled. Okay. In fact, somebody, I know somebody. So that fellow said, I always have fear for the bhoot pret. I have always feel that there ghosts are coming behind me. Okay. So what shall I do? I said, you chant Hanuman Chalisa and all your problem will finish. So he chanted for a few days, but I am chanting, but my bhoot fear is not going. What to do? So I said, how you chant? So he is chanting very speed. Very speed. I said, very speed, the bhoot will not go. You chant slowly, understand the meaning, and then bhoot will go. Then after a few days, he said, yeah, now I have no fear now. Okay, so when we chant Hanuman Chalisa, we chant slowly and try to understand the meaning. Because every word of the Hanuman Chalisa is full of meaning. Okay, today we will chant when we are doing the Pushpanjali, we will do Hanuman Chalisa. So please chant slowly. Okay, try to understand every word meaning. Okay. Then again, Pavamana Nandanam. Again, say Pavamana means Vayu. Nandanam is son. So Nandana means who gives the pleasure to the father and mother. It's called Nandana. Okay, that's the meaning of Nandana. Yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra Krutamastakāñjalim Bāshvavari Paripurna Lochanam Marutim Namata Rakshasantakam. This is a very beautiful sloka for Hanumanji. He is saying, Yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam. Wherever there is a glorious song of Lord Hanuman, Lord Ramachandra, there the first one who sit down, who comes, it is Hanumanji. So whenever there is a glory of Lord Rama, the first person who comes is Hanumanji is coming. Okay, and what is doing there? Lord Hanumanji comes there. What is doing? His eyes are full of tears. Bashpavari paripurna lochanam. Paripurna lochanam means eyes. His eyes are full of tears. But tears means if it is falling down, then that means you are sad. Okay. If no tears, that means eyes are dry. Okay. So we need tears, but it should not fall down. That's important here. Okay. So that's called Bashpavari paripurna lochanam. Okay. Our eyes should be, so whenever you feel, when you feel bhakti, so the eyes should be full of tears, but it should not fall down. That's important here. Okay. So you say Bashpavari paripurna lochanam Maruti namata rakshasantakam. So all my enemies, all my problem, who will take away? Lord Hanumanji. Okay. Atulita baladhamam Swarna sailabhadeham Tanujavana krishanum Jnaninam Agraganyam. The most powerful God. Who is the most powerful? You can say every part of his body full of muscles. His legs you can see, his hands you can see, everything is full of muscles. So most powerful God, it is Lord Hanumanji. Atulita bala. You cannot count how much power he is having. Who can lift the entire mountain and bring? Is there anybody? So Lord Hanumanji can bring mountain and save Lakshmana. Okay? And his body is like a red. Sakala guna nidhanam Vanaranam Adhisham Raghupati priya bhaktam Vatajatam Namami Sakala guna nidhanam. So he's full of all qualities. Whatever good qualities you can think of, Lord, it is Lord Hanuman. Okay. So in Ramayana, when what Rama said for Hanumanji, so you are the only person, you have given everybody, but you have not taken anything from anybody. Okay. So what I can give you, what I don't know what to give you, because you never taken anything from anybody, and you don't need also. Okay. So Raghupati Priya Bhaktam, he is the number one devotee of Lord Rama is Hanumanji. Hanumantam Mahaviram Vayutulya Parakramam Mamabhishtartha Siddhyartham Pranamami Muhurmuhu. Oh Lord Hanuman, I am praying you again and again. Muhurmuhu means again and again I pray you. Why are you praying me? Lord Hanuman may ask you, why are you praying? No, please take care of me also. Okay. So I have some physical problem, I have some mental problem, I have some negative things, please take away. So this is what we have been today, being Hanumanji's birthday, Hanu Janmotsava. So we will pray that you please take away all our problem. Okay. With this, we will do this Arati, and then we will do the Pushpanjali. These two will do. Okay. So we'll do Arati first, and then we'll do Pushpanjali. Okay. Arati. Om Tadasya Suryo Bhavidatarakam Nema Vidyuto Bhanti Kutoyam Agni Tameva Bhantam Anubhati Sarvam Tasya Bhantam Vidhati Om Nagarmanam Prajaya Dhanena Tyagi Naichi Amrutatva Manasu Parena तं गुहायां विभ्राजतेजतयो विशन्ति वेदान्तविज्ञान सुनिश्चितार्थं संन्यासयोगाजतयो शुद्धसत्त्वाः ये ब्रह्मलोकेषु परान्तकाले परामृतात् परिमुच्यन्ते सर्वे ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं देवादितो वामग्नि तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वं So we will chant Hanuman Chalisa together. Okay, together we'll chant. So don't be speed, slowly chant.
बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिए सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देव मोहि हर उपदेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिंह दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र जी काज सवारे लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम प्रिय भरत सब भाई सहस्रनयन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे संगादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहीसा यम कुबेर दिग्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम लाए राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक राहो शरणा। आपन तेज समारो आवे, तीनों लोक हाथ से कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नाचे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, इनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असमर्दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चिंता हरि, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो शत बार पाठ कर जोई, छूटे बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सोई साथी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय महडेरा। मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित। हृदय बसहु सुरहु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय। बोलो संतन की जय।
जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम,
जय हनुमान।
Itu lain untuk